I've been using the Funded Trader for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Funded Trader. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Funded Trader. Funded Trader is an interesting option for aspiring or experienced traders looking to manage larger accounts without risking their own capital up front. One of the standout features is its tiered evaluation process, which offers three main challenge types: the Standard, Rapid, and Royal challenges, each with distinct rules and benefits. For instance, the Standard challenge requires traders to hit an 8% profit target in Phase 1 within 35 days, while the Royal challenge lets you employ expert advisors and trade news, offering a higher maximum daily drawdown. Traders can earn up to a 95% profit split once they complete the evaluation, with flexibility in account sizes, ranging from $5,000 to $400,000, depending on the challenge chosen. The Funded Trader offers competitive leverage options of up to 1:200 and weekly to monthly payouts, which is a nice benefit for consistent performers. However, while the program is accessible with relatively low fees starting at $49, the challenge comes with strict drawdown limits, which can be a challenge for some. In terms of drawbacks, the Funded Trader has garnered mixed reviews online. While many appreciate the opportunity to trade larger funds without the risk, others have raised concerns about the clarity of rules and occasional delays in withdrawals. Overall, it's a solid option for disciplined traders, but requires thorough understanding of its terms to succeed. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.